Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Anushka watching your tech and coding channel MyCodeWorks. So guys, in this video we are going to install PyCharm in Windows 10. So let's get started. So first thing we have to visit PyCharm, download PyCharm. Okay, PyCharm Windows directly, just write it and will directly land on the JetBrains main official site and will download. It's not professional, we need actually community edition. So let's click on install PyCharm and then click on get PyCharm and we'll come on this and we'll see the community edition. Okay, if you scroll down we'll see the community edition. So let's click on this download and then let it download for a few seconds. It will take little time. So finally PyCharm is downloaded here in the system. So let's click on open. Okay, so now we'll open this. So let's click on next and we'll click on next again. So PyCharm, okay, let's click on this one, add path, okay, bin. So let's add in the environment variable. Okay, so create association. Okay, let's click on .py and click next. Click install and let's wait for installation. Till that you will subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon for more updates. So now PyCharm is installed in our system and I don't want to reboot my system now. So let's click on I want to manually reboot later and finish. And let's open the PyCharm and let's see whether it's installed or not. Double click on PyCharm Community Edition. This app cannot run on your PC. To find a version for your PC, check with the software publisher. So there is something with my system, but once installed in your system you are able to open it successfully, or else I think I need to restart my system. That's the one thing I think I need to do. That's all for today's video and thanks for watching this video. I hope you will support me guys and you will click on bell icon for more updates, as well as share with your friends who wants to install PyCharm in Windows 10. So happy installation and we'll meet in next video. Till that, bye.